this side with the lip is gonna face the books. So we're gonna put that one down. Now these are mirrors, so we just gotta pick which side looks better. I think that one's the prettier side. Yeah, I like that. And then we're gonna fit the spacers in here, which oddly took the most time. Then run a pin through it. And then to give it that third point of balance and make it a 3D, mortise and tenon.
Yeah, it's gonna do them all at the same time.
What do you think?
It might be hard to get the second one through if it's all put together.
Yeah?
I don't know. I mean, the way you're doing it, you can do each bit at a time, right?
Well, so we need
Is that why you're wanting to do them together?
What do you mean? So they're gonna attach this way,
Yeah.
right? And then so to mess with all this stuff at the same time seems difficult.
Okay, so you just want to do one at a time?
I was thinking if the whole thing's assembled, then it'd be easier to manage the upset and the actual pinning of it all.
Okay.
Yeah.
So we're gonna try that first.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think?
I like it. But what do I know?
Isn't it beautiful?
It's wonderful. Okay.
All right, we're getting there. Yeah, I probably should have drifted these. That's good. Too much of it went down. There we go.
Is it moving?
Yeah, it came out. There's only a little bit poking out, but now we got enough. This is starting to get really upset with all my tinkering, so I'm not going to be able to get it out this way.
Yeah.
So if I need to, I have to pop it that way.
Gotcha.
But then you run the risk of upsetting this end, so we'll see. Hopefully it's just perfect. Close. How do I want to do this?
I don't think that thing's gonna come apart.
I think so. What was it saying?
It's a compounding curve.
So we got a compounding curve, so it's a really tight fit in there, which makes your job really easy because we won't need to brace this. As long as we have an isolated heat on one side, we just need to worry about getting our cuts right.
Let's see.
We don't have to worry about bracing this so this doesn't get too long or we have the rivet slip. That's not going anywhere.
It's not.
Yeah, so we're gonna cut that to our right length. We're gonna spot heat up here, make our rivet, and then repeat.
Okay, let's see all that happen.
Let's just get a tight fit as possible.
Yeah, that looks better.
That's wonky, but we'll play with that with the torch. And our mortise tenon.
Okay, so tell me again how long these need to stick out.
So I'm using 3/8 stock, and the goal is between 1.5 times to 2 times the diameter. So we're gonna get 3/4 stock sticking up, 3/4 of an inch sticking up.
It is a nice blue flame right there. It's very bright.
Don't look directly at it.
Yeah, it's tempting to look like it. It looks smart.
Yeah, that's how you tell that it's a neutral flame and it's most optimum heat. It's burning about 5,800 degrees right now. So mostly the gap is on this side, so I'm going to keep the heat on this side. But there's so much metal pulling the heat away that I have to move fast here. Can you put the hammer back on the anvil? I don't want to hurt my rivet or my pin, so I'm using the tongs to apply the force where I want it. Straight up and down. I think that's about as good as we're gonna get. I like it. All right.
You like it, I like it too.
So I'm gonna heat that up, the rivet, and then hammer it.
Are you gonna do one or two?
I'm gonna do one, and then this one.
Okay.
Far one, then the near one. Or reverse for you. Try not to kill your camera. Alright, straight up and down.
Move it one way or the other?
Since it's sliding, I'm trying to accommodate it.
Okay.
Alright, I'm going to touch it up with some more heat. Slide it this way. Since it's still hot, I don't need a striker. I'm letting the heat soak through it to get more center. And then I'm going to add more. And that way the heat has a chance to spread down. I'm just cleaning up the facets.
Is that the end result there?
That's the end result.
Very nice.
If I were to
see this.
If I were to make it a second time, I'd probably use 1.5 times the diameter instead of 2 times the diameter because it's starting to pooch out past
Yeah.
where I want it
Oh,
to.
it's starting to go out. It would
Yeah.
be too wide this way.
Yeah, it's not too bad. Or they have tools that create a dome effect that you set on top of it and hammer it in, and that would have been really nice, but I haven't made one of those yet. But, you know, you got a traditional 4-faceted rivet.
It looks good.
Yeah, if I want, I can add a flower to it or something.
Yep. Try to keep it low so I don't burn anything loose. It's amazing smoke all over it. I can't do everything.
Is that one done?
I think that one's done.
Lesson.